You know, the way life is, people have got different opinions, and every human being has got an opinion.
Sure.
It doesn't mean that, Steve, when you believe in something, others cannot believe in the opposite. No, we need to coexist as human beings. So for me, I'm satisfied looking at the agenda that we have even here in Ondazi district. When you look at, we have a number of projects. We are receiving about 6.1 million. Monies which we have never seen before. Okay? We are receiving a lot of funds. A lot of projects are taking place because of the same president. Okay? And where we are working, all of us have been embraced by the leadership. There's no segregation. This is an opposition member, this is what and what. There's nothing like that. So that's why I'm saying that as a council chairperson of Rondas, and definitely I'm a strong believer that this president is doing well and he deserves another term going forward. And I don't think there's anything wrong with that. If there are people who disagree with that, that's their opinion, which I respect.